And then the last one. Okay. So can you tell me what number is this? Lay? No, not yet. Yeah. Gonna put them together. Now we have number. What number is that?
12.
12. Good job. How about this one? 2 and this one. 24. You're so good. Okay, how about this one? Give me the number 5. What number is that? 45. Good job. All right. Okay, so can you put together 4 and 3? Okay, 4 and 3. So what is the number now? 43. Wow, you're so good. So I think we're good with that now. So you can put it back, Lay. Put the numbers back. Wow. One at a time. And then, yes, and then put it back. Okay, you're so good. So do you know colors too? Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Can you tell me what are the colors of the rainbow? Red. And purple. Good job. Okay, you're so good. What else? Can you give me a word that starts with L? Yeah. Can you give me a word that starts with L? Yeah, it starts with L. But can you give me a word like Lola? What else? Can you give me another one? L? Yes. How about your name? It starts with L. Your name is Lay, right? Yeah, so it starts with L. Okay. So how about a word that starts with A? A. What letter is that? It's letter U, right? So can you give me a word that starts with letter U?